Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? I know, I'll climb up the lighthouse. This is going to be so fun. Let's go. There's the lighthouse. This is to be used on the movie ending. I will climb up. Hey Jesse, there's a dog climbing up the lighthouse. Oh my god. Is this true? Yes. Looks like we need to call an ambulance. Okay. Oh no, sirens. Yup, they're right there. Wow, it's nice to be up here. Wait, what is that noise? Sounds like it's an ambulance down here. Whoa. Why you look so happy at me? Why you look so sad? Because we don't want you to get hurt, Peg. Because you're the best dog in the world. Because you could sing a song called He's a Tramp. Oh yeah, I remember that. Do you remember the last time? Oh, I remember.
Tell us about it, Peg. What a dog. Peg used to be in the dog and pony follies. He's a tramp, but they love him. Breaks a new heart every day. He's a tramp, they adore him. And I only hope he'll stay that way. He's a tramp, he's a scoundrel. He's a rounder, he's a cat, he's a tramp, but I love him. Yes, even.
Oh yeah, I remember the day I sang He's a Tramp. Yeah, because I remember I was dreaming about a couple of days ago. Hello? Hi, this is Peg, father. May I speak to someone else? Okay. Jesse, someone's in the phone. Okay. Hello? Is this Jesse? Yes. We had a dog named as Peg. He jumped over into a lighthouse. Can you come rescue him? Rescue her? Sure. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, it was that dog? Yes. He jumped over the lighthouse and he got saved by a trampoline. Don't worry, Peg. I'm not mad at you. I heard you got jumped over into a lighthouse. That was so dangerous. Don't worry, I'm not mad at you. Now let's go home.